Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a little what I eat in a day, because I put a little story on my Instagram and I basically asked what you guys would like to see, and a lot of people wanted to see a what I eat in a day, so that is going to be what I do. I'm basically going to be showing you everything that I eat and also telling you why I'm eating specific things and the health benefits that you're going to get from them. So yeah, let's just get started because nobody likes long intros. So I like to do intermittent fasting at least once a week, which is where I try to do a 16-hour fasting period, including my sleep, where I basically stop eating at 7 p.m. in the previous day and then don't eat until 12 p.m. the next day. This gives my body time to detox and fully reset and give it just a time to cleanse and digest all my food. It is really important when you do intermittent fasting or any type of fasting, and just for breakfast in general, you should be having a high protein breakfast to be able to give your body all the nutrients and recover it after you did the fasting. So for breakfast, these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. Turkey mince. I would prefer 7% fat, but they only have 2% fat in the shops. Shiitake mushrooms, an egg, zucchini, half an avocado. I'm going to record the process of me making this and then tell you everything that I'm eating and why I'm eating it. What the purpose of it is, what the nutrients, what everything about it. Okay guys, so I've now made my breakfast. Here it is. So I have the turkey mince for protein. Shiitake mushrooms have so many health benefits to them. I'll put a little list here of why you should eat shiitake mushrooms. Spinach for iron. Zucchini just for some extra greens, some fiber, some vegetables. Ground cumin, which is really, really health beneficial. And some other seasonings, which I'll also put up here. Any seasonings that I used. Then I added some chili flakes on top of that because I just love everything a little bit spicy, so I always add chili flakes. Avocado for more healthy fats, vitamin E, vitamin A. I then top that with hemp seeds, and hemp seeds are another great source of healthy protein. And then a fried egg for healthy fats, omega-3s, all that stuff. I love to have a runny yolk. Let's see if I have a runny yolk. Oh, and then also a little vitamin D here that I'm going to take. Oh my gosh. Guys, that is so good. I'm going to take the first bite together. I like to firstly go in for some avocado, dip it in the yolk.
I don't want.
And then the turkey mince. I definitely prefer when the turkey mince is at least 7% fat, just because the fat is actually really good for you and it's a little bit less dry. But otherwise, I give my breakfast a 10 out of 10, and I'll see you guys next time when I have something to eat. So it is me again, and I'm going to now be making a matcha because I love matcha. I have it literally every single day. Okay guys, so I made my matcha. I like to make it with coconut milk, and I don't like to add ice. I just like it lukewarm, which you might think is a little bit weird, but I literally just like it like this. And it's so good every time. Okay, so I actually just got a parcel from Jaokim, this massive parcel, so we can open some of it together. I'm going to show you just some of the things that I got from Jaokim. This parcel is actually massive. Protein crisp breads. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me just show you guys. Look at how massive this is. These are the best energy cookies. I love taking these to college. They're really yummy. Got loads of them. Some protein bars for my family to try. These are some of their really cool protein bars. And the jewel dates are so good, and they're massive. Look how big they are. So yeah, that's just some of the things. I'm gonna open the rest of this package now. Okay guys, this is everything that I got from Vilgain. We have like apple cider vinegar, loads of different protein bars to try. These mini cookies are so good. A mouthwash, glass water bottle, some pistachios, some avocado oil, some olive oil, some jam, protein crispers, basically loads of stuff to try. I got this really pretty tea green hoodie, which I have a grey hoodie from them already and I love it, and this is like green version. If you would like to shop anything off of Vilgain, I'll put a link to their website in the description down below, and also make sure to use code OGEATS for an extra 10% off if you want to purchase anything. But I love Vilgain so much, I swear by it. Okay guys, so it is lunchtime now, slash dinner, slash I don't know, it's nearly 4 p.m, it's like 3:30 p.m, and my mum has made some lunch. I'm going to show you what she made. We've got these really yummy roasted potatoes. Oh my gosh, these are so, so good. We have got some little pieces of steak. Excuse that I just picked that up with my hand. Okay, why did I break it apart? Now it looks stupid. I love pickles, bro. I love pickles. And here we have got my lunch. Some steak, roasted potato, pickle, cauliflower and green beans. Okay, so I'm now at the table. Once again, let's just go through everything that I'm eating and why I'm eating it. Let me just preface really quickly that there doesn't have to be a reason or like a health reason behind eating something. For me personally, I like everything that I put into my body to have some kind of nutrition, have some kind of benefit to my body and make me feel good. So I choose to eat things which will make me feel good, which I like the taste of and which will have a benefit to my body. But of course, you don't need to justify eating something if it doesn't have health benefits. You can eat ice cream, it doesn't have to necessarily have health benefits. You can eat, I don't know, that chocolate bar that you want. Obviously, I personally wouldn't. I would choose a 90% chocolate bar, or I would just go for dark chocolate instead. But it's all about what makes you feel good and what makes your body feel good. But let's go through. So obviously the steak has so much health benefits. I'm pretty sure it has nearly all the vitamins and minerals that you need in the human body. Roasted potatoes, carbs, green beans, obviously some fiber, cauliflower, fiber, vegetables, pre/probiotics, really helpful for the gut microbiome. Vegetables first. Please ignore any background noises. If you actually eat your food with the vegetables first, and then the protein, and then the carbs, it decreases the glucose spike. So if you want to have a smaller glucose spike, then do it that way. I saw on TikTok somebody making gluten-free sourdough bread. And obviously, I really want to try to make gluten-free sourdough bread because I really miss sourdough bread. Was one of my favorite things when I was growing up, and I really want to try and make it. So we're going to try and make a sourdough gluten-free starter. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to make it. So we're going to take a jar and then some organic brown rice flour. I just got this brand because it was the one that would come the quickest on Amazon Prime. Then you get 1 tablespoon of flour. And then you do equal part water, but I don't remember if it's warm water or lukewarm water or...
On days 2 and 3, we do the same.
Okay, so I've got equal part of just room temperature water here. Okay, and here's my little sourdough starter. You have to leave it basically at room temperature, somewhere to let it rise and just sit. Done! So now for my last meal of the day, if you've watched some of my TikToks before, I always have a yogurt bowl, a granola bowl, whatever. It's basically my dinner and it's very high protein, it's very good and healthy. I always like to switch up the fruit. You can literally add whatever fruit you want. I like to add kiwis, blueberries, apples, strawberries, banana, whatever you are feeling like adding to your yogurt bowl, you can add to your yogurt bowl. I'm also going to be making a TikTok whilst making it. But yeah, let's go through making my beautiful yogurt bowl. Is it just me, or do you have to like eat stuff with specific cutlery? Because me, for example, I have my special spoon and I have to have my granola bowl with this specific spoon. Beautiful coconut yogurt because I am lactose intolerant. Because I cannot have Greek yogurt, I can only have coconut yogurt. I like to add this protein powder into it. It's a very pure protein powder. It's literally just made out of pea protein, pumpkin seed protein, and brown rice protein. And then I also like to add some maca powder. Yeah, I'll just put the health benefits on the side somewhere on the screen here of maca powder, but I like to add in maca powder as well. Okay, so I've just cut up some fruits. These are the fruits that I'm having today in my yogurt bowl. Kiwi, strawberries, blueberries, and banana. But obviously, you can add whatever you want to add into your granola bowl. That's what I love about granola bowls, like how versatile they are. Literally so good. Even without all the other toppings, it's still already so pretty. Okay, this is the granola I use. I use this Vilgain coconut almonds and cashew granola. My favorite granola from Vilgain is the maple pecan one, but I ran out of that one. So this is the one we're using today. Then I'm just going to use the rest of these hemp seeds. Then some pumpkin seeds. Delicious, smooth almond butter. This is the last thing that I'm going to be eating today, guys. Do a taste test of this beautiful yogurt bowl. And I miss you, babe. Wow, this is what I look forward to the whole day. Glory to the yogurt bowls. Oh yeah, also look, my auntie made this keto chocolate cake or chocolate loaf. And it's made out of coconut flour, a riff roll, and I might try it later. I don't know, I'm not really craving it right now. I'm craving my yogurt bowl. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching what I eat in a day. Please remember to use this as inspiration, not comparison. Do not use this as comparison because every single day is different. Everybody needs different things in their bodies. Everybody fuels in different ways and everybody absorbs nutrients in different ways. So what works for you might not work for me. What works for me might not work for you. If you would like to see any more what I eat in a days, please comment down below. And yeah, bye.